Happy 25th birthday, DCA. It's been 25 years of Disney California Adventure, so we are here to celebrate its birthday. So the actual celebration pretty much kicked off this weekend, and I was here on Friday to witness it all firsthand. However, I didn't get to actually enjoy it, and that's what we're doing today. We will be celebrating 25 years of DCA. Soarin' over California is widely considered to be the superior version of Soarin'. Now that's comparing it to Soarin' around the world. I guess we'll see this summer how Soarin' across America fared, but as of now, Soarin' over California stays number one in our hearts. There is currently a 60-minute wait, which is very understandable. So we're gonna go see if we can single rider. We'll see. Okay, so single rider is currently closed, and the cast member did say that it has been taking longer than the standby line, which is always the risk you run when you do single rider. Usually it's shorter, but we are going to forego Soarin' over California just for now. We will do it in this video. But with that it went up to 65 minutes while I was standing there. We're gonna try it out a little bit later and go get a sweet treat, I think. Carthay Circle is decorated so adorably for the birthday. It says happy 25th. Oh, it looks like Mulan's processional is coming. Oh, yep, you can see it just down the way there. When I'm here for work, I catch glimpses of it a lot. Like I'll be walking and I'll catch the end of it or just hear some of the music. But if you are in the parks and it's something that you can see, it's truly beautiful. It's kind of a little bit between a parade and a cavalcade, but definitely worth it. The music is so good and the dancers are incredible and the costumes are just, you'll see.
Mulan friends are honored to share the beautiful Chinese traditions of the Year of the Horse. Mulan was a little girl. Her mother taught her that so art form celebrates the rich heritage of great and father. Representing beauty, grace, and elegance.
Lele, don't you want one of those umbrellas?
We are at Schmoozies to get the cake shake. Now that is the celebratory birthday cake flavored shake for DCA's birthday.
What?
It's expensive, like don't get me wrong, this is a $14 milkshake, but there's like a decent sized piece of cake on here and it's very good. It's like a really fresh pound cake, so it's like thicker. And the strawberry frosting, it tastes like a strawberry frosted donut, and that's kind of like what the strawberry frosting is. Either way, here's to you, DCA. Happy 25th anniversary. Happy birthday. You've been mostly delighting audiences for 25 years, and cheers to that. It's mostly vanilla with like a hint of birthday cake and confetti, but it's definitely not too sweet. So I will be enjoying this and dancing to the combination of the Zootopia meet and greet music and the exit from Mickey's PhilharMagic. Near the exit of Mickey's PhilharMagic, there's this fun photo booth that most people probably don't even know is here because it's really tucked away. They have some fun graphics for the 25th anniversary, so we are going to take some photos. Okay, in the photo booth. I've actually never been in here, so we're just gonna wing it. I think I touched, oh, okay. I'm touching the screen. It's $10, everybody, just so you know. Okay, 25th anniversary, pay below, and you can choose from the designs. Fun, okay. Do we like the black one? Ooh, or the vintage one? Because that's the original California Adventure logo. But I think I like the black one. It has Mickey, it says 25th anniversary. We're gonna do that one because we're celebrating the 25th, so. And we're gonna do color. Yeah, that's simple. Cute. Oh my goodness, so cute. I love them. Me and my little camera. And the 25th logo with Mickey. And they're like iridescent-y rainbow. That was great. I loved that. And I mean, $10 for photos isn't amazing, but you do get 2 strips. So if you're here with a couple or you're here with friends, it's a really fun souvenir to commemorate any Disney day, but especially the 25th anniversary. I'm going to go check out some of the 25th anniversary merch. I'm trying to decide if I need a t-shirt or not. Or that hat. We'll see. We'll go look at it and we will make our decision before we go back to Soarin. Okay, I have come into Elias & Co. to find the merch. But let me just tell you, genuinely, the hardest part of my job, and that's not spending oodles of money on merch, because I look at it every day. And it's very hard not to want to buy all of the cute things and all of the things that I see that I add to my note that I was telling you guys about the other week. So yeah, that's the hardest part of the job. It's really, really tough. I appreciate your support at this time. All right, we have come to the 25th anniversary section. We've got the Celebrating 25 Years DCA sweatshirt, hoodie specifically. We've got the other version of the logo on a t-shirt. A lot of people are really excited about the sun being on there. We've got this hat that I am thoroughly considering. You guys know how I feel about hats. And it's iridescent. I don't know if you can see that. It's like pink and gold. I'm trying to get it in the sunlight for you. And it has a shiny Disneyland tag there on the back. Last but not least, we've got the 25th Magic Key t-shirt. And this is the one I'm considering getting. I just really like the back. I just wish the back was the front. It says we're just getting started, Walt Disney. And I wish that that was on the front. But, you know, I could get creative. I could wear it backwards. I'm considering it, but we'll see. I think I still need a minute or two to think about it. Maybe give me some advice. Do I need it? Probably not. Let me know what you think. Should I get it? Should I not? I have a lot of merch, but I am here all the time, so it definitely gets its use. But no, I just wish that that design that's on the back was on the front. But who knows? Maybe I'll get creative with it. Interlude for this bird. He's so fluffy. Sorry guys, I just really like birds. And he's so fluffy. I would of course never disturb him. Letting you guys, oh, look at him. What? Hi, oh, bye birdie. Look how not fluffy these birds are. Like, just regular. That one was extra special. Sorry for that animal interlude. Fun fact, in college, I was vet sci and minored in wildlife rehabilitation management, studied abroad for it, and almost had a very different career path, working in zoos and spending all my time with animals. So when I see Disney animals, I get a little sidetracked and always give them my attention. But that bird was so fluffy. Like, you saw the other ones in comparison. The first one was like, I don't know. It was chunky, it was fluffy. It was a very cute bird. We have returned to Soarin' over California. Like, I know that the wait says 60 minutes, but this line does look like it'll move a little faster than that. I know it looks like a lot of people, but they're not using the extended queue. So, we'll see. I'm gonna go ask if they have both sides open. So, single rider is closed because it's full, but they do have both sides running, which means hopefully it'll go twice as fast. And we are just going to clock the wait time. It's currently 3:33, so we'll see when I get on it. All right, it has been almost 30 minutes and we are headed inside. Though it is moving, this will probably end up being a correct wait time. It typically takes about 20 to 30 minutes inside, even if both sides are running, just because you have about 3 shows before you once you go inside, like 3 loads of the theater before you. So a full 60-minute wait, but for Soarin' over California, it's worth it. So even though this wait can be quite long, there's plenty of things to read. I really like that this queue points for DCA compared to the queue in Epcot. No Epcot slander though. Love that park. But that being said, I think our queue here is better because they really just put a bunch of effort into the details, talking about the history of aviation and just some really awesome milestones, including the people of aviation as well as the planes themselves. So I think that's really, really cool, and I always find myself reading and learning a new thing every time I'm in this queue. We are headed down to preload, and I can already smell the scent beads. I just got a whiff of orange. I don't know if it's coming through the walls or something. Yeah, so on Friday is when Soarin' over California reopened, and we were here early in the morning to get on it, but then it went down for most of the day. And then we went back because we got lightning lanes because it went down, and we were like right about to get on it. And when we came back, we were B1, which was amazing. So when we rode it, eventually, the scent beads were very strong, and no complaints for me. This version definitely has the best smells. So I would have just loaded into the pre-show, 4:17 officially, which means 45 minutes on the dot. But I'm waiting for B1 because I have the time.
Hello and welcome to Soarin' over California. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today.
Way down to the last available seat for me, please. Okay. Whole bunch of stuff. Whoa!
That was wonderful, as always. I thoroughly enjoy every minute of Soarin', always, whether it's around the world or over California. It is one of my favorite rides in this park, for sure. We are almost done for the day. Oh, I do see Mickey and Minnie greeting in their new anniversary outfits. So let's see if their line is short enough that we can hop in. We got to see Mickey and Minnie in their outfits, and I wasn't even planning on it. That was just coincidence and happenstance that we were walking out of the Grizzly Peak area right while they were greeting in front of the fountain. We couldn't get in line because they had a date to get to, and so they closed the meet and greet line, but it was okay. We still got to see them, and I waved to them. But their new outfits are amazing, and I love when they meet and greet together. Last up on our to-do list was collecting this commemorative guide map. It's very cute. It has the original logos of the old rides on it, and it has the old entrance on it, and the old map with the original logo. So cute. Wait, is this today's? Okay, sorry, I'm seeing this in real time for the first time. So on one side, it has the current map of Disney California Adventure, but on the back, it has the grand opening map with all the original attractions on it and the original logo. So this is really cool, and I'm glad I got to snag one of these and take it home. The art is such a cool style. Aw, I love this. I'm so glad I got to grab one of these. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for coming with me. I had such a great time experiencing all of the wonderful 25th anniversary offerings that are here at Disney California Adventure. And with all of the new and exciting things coming to this park specifically, I'm looking forward to the next 25 years. I'll see you next week.